Today on the second episode of ExVenture, we are here at the Singapore Zoo for the Rainforest Lumina. The Rainforest Lumina is a 1 km trail featuring interactive light and sound installations showcasing animals such as orangutans and flying foxes. The night walk is launched to celebrate the zoo's 45th anniversary. The trail is the collaboration with Wildlife Reserve Singapore, a multimedia entertainment studio Moment Factory. This is the Garden of Virtues. Over here there are many statues of animals representing different virtues such as resilience and creativity. In front of each statue there is a basket full of bracelets. You can take one bracelet of the animal that will represent you. Acting like an animal, you'll get to play with the microphones. The louder you are, more visuals will appear. Right now, you are watching Call of the Wild. The Call of the Wild is a short 3D animated film that is displayed on the exhibit itself. Here we are at the Play Like an Animal. There are many illuminated pads that you can step on and send a virtual animal flying. At the Wall of Fame, scan the QR code located on the bracelet taken from the Garden of Virtues. Afterwards, smile into the camera and your face will be added into the Wall of Fame. Admissions for Rainforest Lumina is priced at $20 for an adult and $16 for children between 3 and 12 years old. Purchase your tickets online to enjoy more discounts. Links will be in the description down below. So do like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed our second episode. And don't forget to follow our social media pages down in the description below.